NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you where to find over 50 more music tracks in Sharefactory, how to download them and how to combine them with your favourite Sharefactory themes to make your next videos and montages absolutely awesome. All this with no need to leave the PS4 and no need for a USB. Let's do it. Okay, so about to play is a very quick clip which has one of the 50 new music tracks that I found, and I've added in some basic transitions and stickers just to show you that any of these new music tracks can work alongside your usual theme that you like to use, and I'll show you how to make sure that that works as well. But if you're new to this channel and you are a PS4 player and want to learn how to make gaming videos using the Sharefactory app on the PS4, then this is the channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Okay, and we got a shout out of the day coming up as well. So first question is, why are we looking for more music tracks? Well, very simply, if you've downloaded Sharefactory, then you will know that you have a number of themes within Sharefactory and only 20 music tracks that you can choose from, which are these ones here. So very limited, and if you've looked through YouTube, a lot of people use the same tracks for their montages and that, and it gets a bit samey. So to give you more options, you can look for other music tracks like these. So I've downloaded this one, which is God of War, and it's a theme within Sharefactory that you can download, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And it gives music options such as this. So if you could imagine this on your montage or something, it might sound absolutely awesome. Okay, so it's not just this one, you've got options of over 50 other music tracks within the themes, and there's all different types of music. So this is a Dreams theme which I downloaded as well, just to see what that was like, and we've got other options, and this is totally different, it's a lot more soft and all that. So there's these extremes and different ones in between as well, so certainly worth playing about with as well. Okay, so if you look at the bottom row and the middle and the right track, you see there's no box next to it. That means it's standard tracks, but if all the rest of them had boxes next to it, so that means that they are downloaded tracks, so you know the difference between them there. Okay, so lots of different options there for you to have a look with, and what we're going to do is show you how to download the theme so you've got access to those tracks. So before we do that, we do the shout out of the day, which goes to It's Your Boy Crypt. So It's Your Boy Crypt has been involved in the channel a lot recently, and I really appreciate it, so a shout out goes to your channel, and please do check out the channel and consider subscribing if you like the content. Okay, so how do we download these new themes? Well, we go to Import Content and Sharefactory Themes, and then we've got all these different themes that we can choose from, all different games, but within those there's transitions and stickers and all sorts of things. If we go up to Add Filter, and you can see most of them are free, so click on free and then that will filter out all the ones that are free, so you don't have to pay a penny, and then just look at these. So if you click on one and go across to the overview, and you'll see it shows you what you get when you download it, and amongst that it says music, and this one has 4 music tracks. So if you think you're going to be doing a video which might involve cars, then you could maybe consider using this and downloading it, and you can then use that with your future videos. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a Need for Speed game. It can just be you could use the music from that to benefit your own music videos. Okay, so I'm going to download this just so you can show you how to do it. So you just literally click on download, and then it will download it and says purchased, even though it's free, and then it comes up saying that it's been added and installed on your Sharefactory. Okay, and you've got other ones here. You've got Call of Duty, you've got Far Cry. Now some of them just say that they've got music. You see here it just says music, but it doesn't say how many tracks, so you need to be aware of that. It's up to you to then click on it, and if you want to take a risk, I don't know whether there's 1 track or 10 tracks on that, because it doesn't show, so it's up to you to take that chance and see which ones you want to go for. So this one here, Call of Duty, I think this one has like 9 or 20 music tracks on here. So again, lots of different options, and in total I added up more than 50 different music tracks, not including the ones that don't say how many tracks there are. So loads of different opportunities, so there's no reason to keep on using the same standard Sharefactory tracks here. Okay, so you can see that I've downloaded Need for Speed here, and I'm going to just show you, we'll have a quick look at what music we got with that. Now I haven't seen this yet because we've only just downloaded it, but let's see what music options we have. So we go to add music, and there you go, we've got 4 there with the box next to it, so we know they're the downloaded ones for that. So let's see what this sounds like. Yeah, okay, so that sounds pretty good. I like the sound of that. So the one thing you need to be aware of with this is it does take up a lot of memory on your storage. So if you haven't got much storage on your PS4, then be aware of that. Don't go downloading loads of different themes. Otherwise you may not have any memory storage on your PS4. Okay, so what you might be asking now is, okay, that's great, I want to use that music, but I want to use my usual theme where I do my editing of my videos, and that's absolutely fine. I've thrown this clip together just to show you that it's absolutely fine to do that. So what you can do is go into your clip, add all the themes, stickers, overlays that you want to, and then you can add the music afterwards. Okay, and what you need to do that is you get everything how you want it, and then you push the options button on the controller, and then you can click on export to gallery. Okay, and that creates a whole new clip for you. You can share later. Okay, and then what you do is come out of that, save project and exit, and then you can create a brand new project. Okay, so you go to new project, and then you choose the theme that's got the music that you want. So God of War theme, we'll use that just for example, and then you unclick all of these, and then you can go, we won't worry about renaming it, and then we can add the clip that we exported to gallery, which is that one there. So you click on it and push square, and then we'll just delete this part because we don't want it. And then really quickly, I'll just show you how to add the music. Okay, they're the 3 options that we have from God of War. I'll just choose one of them, click on that, and then we press play. Okay, so again, please don't slate me for the quality of this. I just threw it together just to give you an example of how to do it. So that is how to get 50 different songs and 50 different music tracks, and how to use them within your own projects just to make them that little bit more interesting. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have, please do subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already, and give me a big thumbs up if you found it useful. So any questions, do comment below, and thanks.